Hello all my cruising and travel fans, it's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. Today I will be trying barBuerit fresh Mexican grill, which you see right over there. I'll be heading on in there and trying out one of their salad bowls or burritos or maybe tacos, who knows what I may get. So let's go right on in and see what I get, and I'll let you all know. But stay through the intros and you'll find out what I decided to get. I'll see you after the intros. And thank you for staying through the intro. I decided to take the meal into my vehicle as it's currently raining outside here right now. So I want to stay nice and dry and make sure I give you a nice, good, tasty review. So like I said, today I decided to go to the barBuerit fresh Mexican grill, and I decided to get a Mexican bowl salad, and it looks like this. It looks very, and that's my fork, of course, that you see coming in and out of the camera, but it looks very delighting and very delicious. So let's dive on in there and find out how did they do. And this is the spicy chicken on a bed of rice, and I threw some salad, jalapenos, green peppers, whole bunch of sauces, pickled onions. Great stuff, really great stuff. So let's dive in and check it on out and see how it is. Hot, spicy. And this week I decided to not get a drink and just brought one with me as I was on my way home from work. So I had a drink already. The ingredients are nice and fresh, really good, and not like really fresh, like fresh. And it's a really good salad bowl. One size bowl, just shy of $15. And they make it the way you like it, which I like it. But fresh, like I like it, fresh. And so, and the chicken is tender. It's not that spicy at all, but it's hot because I put some hot sauce in there, so you can't taste the spicy chicken. I'm gonna make sure I get a nice good piece of chicken and try one more try of it. So but chicken is like very tender and it just breaks away nicely in the mouth. So, chicken good. The rest of the ingredients, the jalapenos, the green peppers, tomatoes are in there. Nice and fresh. I like it. So, overall, they're going to have to score that 10 out of 10. Because they really went right to the great long yard. So, that's my review on their bowl at the barBuerit Fresh Mexican Grill. Once again, it looks like this. And it's the spicy chicken. And you get to add in your own fresh ingredients that you want to have in sauces. So, that's my review on them. Let me know if you guys all have a restaurant down by where you guys all like this. That's a Mexican restaurant. And if so, what's your favorite thing to get there if you have one? Or a place that's similar to it? Let me all know in that comment section down below. And while you're down there, let's not forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet already. Smash that like button. Share to everyone that you know. And I'll see you next week with the next food review. Until next time, I will see you on the high seas or wherever travels may take us. Until then, bye for now. It's good. Really good. You should go there. Try it.